Welcome back, children. We are dealing as usual arithmetic progression exercise 1.2 to find the missing terms. We have already solved problem number 1 and 2. Now we are dealing with problem number 3. So what we need to find here is the missing term A2 and A3. A2 and A3 we need to find. As usual, you know that first term, which is nothing but A1 is nothing but A. A is already given. A is equals to 5. A is equals to 5, which is given. A2 we do not know, we have to find. What is A2? A2 is nothing but A plus D, which we need to find. A2 we need to find here. The missing terms are A2 and A3, which we need to find. A2 is nothing but A plus D. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D, which we need to find. What is the given thing is A1 and A4. A1 and A4. What is A1? A1 is nothing but A. A is equals to 5. Given here, A is equals to 5. And what is A4? A4 is nothing but, according to general form, A plus 3D. A plus 3D is nothing but 9.5 is given. 9.5. 9.5 is nothing but mixed form, mixed fraction it is. We have to convert the mixed fraction into proper or improper fraction. So that we need to do. So only then it is possible to solve this problem. Once again, see that. So this is the third problem of missing terms to find. Here we need to find A2 and A3. A2 is nothing but A plus D. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. Okay. What are the things that is given? A. First term is given. A. So no need to find A at all. In the previous problem we found A as well as D because A and D was not there. We found both by using elimination method. So now here we no need to find A and D both. Already A is given. First term is given. So we got the value of A. Just by substituting the value of A with the equation with the term A4, we will get the value of D. What is the value of A4? A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. A plus 3D is nothing but 9.5 here. 9.5. Now before I substitute A is equals to 5 in this equation, so first I need to convert mixed fraction into proper or improper fraction. So how you convert the mixed fraction to proper or improper fraction? It's very easy here. 9.5 is there. 9.5. First you keep the denominator in the denominator itself to multiply the denominator with 9, that is 9 2 times. 9 2 times or 2 9 times. 2 9 multiply. Then the multiple what you get add with the 1. Add with the 1. Therefore, and thus we have 9 2 times 18 plus 1 19 by 2. Understand, children? Once again here, to convert mixed fraction into proper or improper fraction, you need to maintain the denominator whatever is there as it is. Then multiply denominator with the given 9. 9 2 times 18. 9 2 times 18. 18. Then you add with the 1. You will get 18 plus 1 19. Therefore, 9.5 becomes 19 by 2. Now we have changed 9.5 into 9 by 2 or 19 upon 2. We have changed, converted 9.5 as 19 by 2. Understand, children? Now take this equation. A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. A plus 3D is 19 by 2. Here A plus 3D is 9.5. 9.5 is nothing but mixed fraction which we have changed into 19 by 2. These two are one and the same. Equals is there. One and the same. In place of 9 by 2, I have taken 19 by 2. A plus 3D is 19 by 2. Now, so we have the value of 5 already given here. This 5 value I will substitute into the equation 1. This equation particularly I will make it as a 1 and substitute this A is equals to 5 in equation 1. As you can see here, A plus 3D is equals to 19 by 2. I have substituted in place of A, 5 I have substituted. A plus 3D is equals to 19 by 2. A plus 3D is equals to 19 by 2. Now we need the value of D and not the value, not the 5 plus 3D. Therefore, what I do is, as usual, so in the previous many problems I explained how to eliminate all these things. Add both sides by minus 5 because we don't want plus 5 here. Add both sides by minus 5. and you will get 5 plus 3d minus 5 is added. 19 by 2 was there, minus 5 is added both sides. Plus 5 minus 5 gets cancelled. What is remaining is 3d is equals to 19 by 2 minus 5. 19 by 2 minus 5. Understand, children? Now 5 to be subtracted from 19 by 2. How? Just like that it is not possible. You have to take LCM. So which you know already. So after taking LCM, you will get what is LCM? LCM is 2. We get the LCM 2. Now multiply the whole by LCM and divide the whole by LCM. So here the problem is 19 by 2 minus 5. 19 by 2 minus 5 and multiplied by the LCM and divided by the LCM. So after 19 by 2 into 2 minus 5 into 2 divided by whole divided by 2 gets cancelled. What is the meaning is 19. 5 2 times 10. 3d is equals to 19 minus 10 by 2. 3d is equals to 19 minus 10 by 2. Now 19 minus 10 is nothing but 9 and divided by 2 as it is. Thus 3d is equals to 19 by 2. 3d is equals to 19 by 2. Now what we need is the d value. We don't want 3 times d. As usual we divide both sides by 3. After dividing 3d by 3 is equals to 9 by 2 into 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is nothing but divided by 3. 3 gets cancelled. d is equals to 3 times 9. Thus we get 3 by 2. So 3 and 9 are multiples. 3 times becomes 3. 1 times 3 times. So what is the value? Is 3 by 2. So d value we got 3 by 2. So now we have a value which is nothing but 5 and the d value we have 1. Once we get a and d value, so we can solve any problem. Now see that missing terms are a2 and a3. What is a2? a2 is nothing but a plus d. We have the value of a and we have value of d. Just a substitution, that's all. So a2 is nothing but a plus d. a2 is equals to in place of a substitute 5 plus in place of d substitute 3 by 2. Now take LCM. For this before adding take LCM. LCM is nothing but 2. LCM is nothing but 2. Now multiply and divide by 2 this LCM and then multiply this 5 2 times 3 by 2 2 times whole divided by 2. 5 2s are 10. 3 by 2 and 2 gets cancelled, remaining 3. Now a2 is equals to 10 plus 3 by 2. a2 is equals to 10 plus 3 is 13 by 2. Thus we get second missing term. a2 is nothing but 13 by 2 we get. Now what is a3? a3 is nothing but a plus 2d. Substitute the value of a and d. What is a? 5 plus this is 2d is nothing but 2 times d. Keep 2 and d 3 by 2. And here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What is remaining? a3 is equals to 5. These two got cancelled. 3. 5 plus 3. So a3 is equals to 8. We got a3 equals to 8. Thus we have here the missing term a3 is nothing but 8. So what are the missing terms? Missing terms are nothing but 13 by 2 and 8. 13 by 2 and 8 are the missing terms and therefore it becomes 5, which all you know. Missing terms 13 by 2, missing term 8 and 9 and a half. That is how we have solved this problem. In the next video we will solve the fourth problem, children. Thank you.